If this video finds you on this specific date, I need you to pay attention to every single word I'm about to say, because what I'm about to share with you is not a coincidence, because you didn't stumble onto this video by accident. Your subconscious mind has been pulling you towards this exact moment and this exact information for a reason. And that reason is that something in you already knows that a massive shift is coming, but you just haven't given your brain the right instructions yet. So today, I'm going to change that. And before we get into this video, let me quickly introduce myself. If you're new here, I'm Mary Kate, and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on getting you transformational results. Here on my channel, I pride myself in making manifestation make sense without all of the unnecessary confusion. And my whole channel is all about manifesting the law of attraction with meditations and more. And every single Wednesday, I share the tools you need to get the results you want. So be sure to subscribe and also hit that bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And really quickly, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button down below right now. It takes just 1 second, and I promise you, this video is going to give you something that most people never figure out. So once you do that, let's get right into it. So here is what nobody talks about when it comes to creating serious wealth. It's not the forcing and trying. It's not the technique or the vision board. And it's not even just meditating for hours at a time. Because those are all great surface level tools that definitely help, but what it comes down to, creating serious, real wealth, is this. It comes down to your mindset and your identity. And let me explain it in a non-esoteric way that actually makes sense and locks it in, because I'm sure you've heard of this before. This is not just believe it and it'll happen, or think happy thoughts and magic will show up. No. This is neuroscience. This is literally how your brain is wired to create your financial reality. And the reason that most people never reach that level of wealth that they're dreaming about is not because they aren't working hard or not doing enough. It's because their subconscious identity doesn't match the outcome that they're chasing. So let me explain what I mean by that. Your brain has a built-in system called the reticular activating system. I talk about this all of the time because it is so unbelievably powerful when it comes to manifestation. It's just really, really important. You can kind of think of it as your brain's filter, your own little personal spotlight that decides what information gets your attention and what gets ignored. And every single second, your brain is receiving something like 11 million bits of information, but your conscious mind can only process a tiny fraction of that. So your brain essentially has to choose. And the way that it chooses is based entirely on what you already believe to be true about yourself and about life. So if your subconscious identity says something like, I am someone who struggles with money, or I'm broke, or I don't have enough money, or I can't afford that, your reticular activating system will literally confirm that exact reality. You will miss opportunities that are right in front of you because your focus isn't directed there. You'll overlook connections or ideas or patterns or possibilities, not because they aren't there, but because your brain has been told that they're not for you, so they won't focus on it. This isn't a mindset problem. This is a brain programming problem. But the beautiful thing is that it can be reprogrammed. You have neuroplasticity. Now let me share why this specific date piece comes in, because I really need you to sit with this and understand this. Whether you realize it or not, dates carry a lot of power, not because of magic, but because of meaning. When you assign significance to a date, you're telling your subconscious mind to wake up and pay attention. You're signaling to your brain, this moment matters, pay attention, something's happening, something's shifting. I mean, think about New Year's Day. Why does January 1st feel so different even though nothing has physically changed from December 31st? It's because you assigned a specific meaning to it, an importance to it. And that meaning and importance creates a psychological fresh start. And research in behavioral science actually shows that people are significantly more motivated to create change around meaningful dates. This is sometimes called the fresh start effect, and it's an actual real documented phenomenon in psychology. So when you decide that today is the day that your identity starts to shift, that decision has importance. That decision tells your subconscious, we're doing this now. Not someday, not when things look different or your circumstances change, now. So if you're watching this, it starts now. This is what sets the foundation for everything I'm about to teach you. And I'm going to give you real actual tools that you can use today. So it starts today. This has made the biggest difference for me, and I know it will for you too. But your subconscious mind doesn't work based on what you want. It works based on who you believe you are. There is a crucial distinction right there. You can want to be a millionaire every single day of your life and still never become one if your identity is still rooted in a belief system that says money is hard or wealth is for other people or that you have to struggle to earn that kind of money. Identity is not what you say you want. Identity is the collection of beliefs that your subconscious holds about what is true and possible for you. And those beliefs were mainly formed between when you were born until you turned about 7, before you even had the ability to consciously evaluate whether or not it was true or accurate. You were a little sponge absorbing things. So if you grew up in an environment where money is tight, or money is stressful, or where wealthy people were talked about negatively, your brain absorbed all of that and filed it away as a fact, and you've operated from that fact your entire life. Years later, it's still running that program in the background, determining how you operate in the world, keeping you stuck in the same patterns, making the same decisions, and hitting the same ceilings over and over again. And it's not because you're not capable. It's just you're running on outdated software. This is why affirmations alone often don't just work, or meditations alone often don't just work. You can repeat, I am a millionaire 100 times a day, but if your subconscious identity is still rooted in scarcity or not enough or that you aren't there, then those words feel like a lie and it doesn't make a difference. Your brain doesn't build new neural pathways around things that it perceives as false. So then what does work? Identity shifting. So one tool that you have to download right now is the Money Workbook. It's totally free. I'm going to link it up here and I'll link it down below. And I say this because tens of thousands of people have used this exact workbook to clear decades worth of money blocks and change their entire identity around money. You don't even have to take my word for it. It's completely free, but I get countless emails every single day filled with incredible results. So make sure you grab your copy now. That's really going to help you get to work on your identity around money. But let me also walk you through exactly how to start shifting things right now as you're watching. So step 1. Get clear on what your current story is. What has your subconscious been told around money? What did you hear growing up? What beliefs are running on autopilot when it comes to manifesting money or having wealth? And if you want, you can pause this video and answer these now, or if you want to save it and rewatch later when you have time. But I'm going to keep moving through this process and you can use that however you see fit. But I want to share some things that are going to get you the big results. That's just step 1. But when you do this step 1, I want you to actually sit with it. Be honest with yourself because you can't reprogram a belief that you haven't identified yet. So common beliefs that I hear all the time are, I can't afford that, or I can never have enough, or I can never manifest money, or I can never keep money. Do any of those land for you? Because if they do, that is your subconscious giving you the exact map of what you need to shift. So when you're doing this step 1, write them down. Those are your targets. And that money workbook is going to take you even deeper. It's going to guide you through a lot of these prompts that are really going to kind of bring to light what your money blocks are. Step 2 is to consciously interrupt and reject those beliefs in real time. Now that you're aware of them, you can pay attention to when they're coming up for you. So this means the moment that one of those old thoughts come up, and trust me, they will come up, that you don't just run with it automatically like you've been doing your whole life. You notice it, you catch it, you name it, and you tell yourself, this is actually an old story and I don't believe it anymore. It's not actually true. It's not an ultimate truth and fact. And this might sound simple, but it is so incredibly powerful because every time you do this, you're kind of weakening that old neural pathway and you are literally telling your brain that this thought pattern is no longer relevant, and the brain is so efficient. It will actually stop sending you those thoughts after time. And step 3 is to install the new identity, the new programming. And this is where you can use affirmations and meditations, but it's where you begin to speak, think, and act as the version of you who already has what you want. And I know that kind of confuses people, but we don't want to do this in a fake way. You don't want to do this in a pretend everything is fine when it's not, or pretend to be something you're not kind of way. Instead, I want you to see it as a, I'm choosing to see this as possible for me. I'm worthy and capable of having this now. So what does a millionaire version of you think about having money? How do they talk about opportunities? What decisions do they make? What do they believe is possible for them? What do they think they're capable of? How do they operate? When you start living from that information, from those answers, not because anything in your bank account has changed yet, but because the brain needs the identity to shift before the external results can follow. This is kind of the sequence where most people get it backwards and then wonder why they're not seeing results. They have to wait for the results to feel like the person they want to be. But that's not how the brain works. The identity has to come first, and behavior follows identity, and results follow behavior. And step 4 is repetition combined with emotion. This is truly so important because your subconscious doesn't update based on logic alone. It updates based on repeated, emotionally charged experiences. This is why something that you heard over and over again as a child got wired so deeply within you that it became automatic. Repetition creates automation. So when you're installing new beliefs, you have to bring an emotion with them. Don't just say the words, actually feel the truth of them in your body. Allow it to create an emotional response. Normalize it for yourself. When you can normalize it, everything around you starts to change. So you want to feel ease and confidence and lack of desperation around money. The more emotionally real and normal that you can make that feeling, the faster your subconscious mind accepts it as truth. So find anchoring affirmations that you connect to. Find things that resonate with you. And if you struggle with affirmations, try the overflowing abundance subliminal. I'm going to go ahead and link it up here and link it down below. The best part is that it's the laziest way to manifest. You literally just press play and have it playing in your background while you're doing chores or work, or even while you're getting ready or sleeping. It's meant to be dismissed and played in the background. You can also use a money meditation that I'm going to link up here and link down below if you prefer guided meditations. I'm trying to share as many tools with you as I can so that you can actually see real results. You can use some of these tools or all of these tools. They are all options for you to use however feels best for you. They are all free. Try them out. Everything is going to be linked down below. But I would say most important, do yourself a favor, get that money workbook, totally free. You will not regret it. Now let's come back again to this date, because if you woke up today and you found this video, today is your first day. I want you to decide right now that this is the day that the shift begins. You can write down this date, and it's not because of luck. It's not because something magical is happening, but today is significant because you are choosing to draw a line in the sand and say the old story ends here. Today, your brain is getting new instructions starting now. The version of you that is financially free, that has the wealth, that has the security and abundance and options, that version of you is who you are becoming today. So say to yourself, it starts now. Mean it. Feel it. That is the first step of identity reprogramming. And if you keep coming back to this content and you keep doing the work and you keep showing up for yourself, that identity will become your default and your entire life will change from there. When your identity changes, your brain will start filtering reality completely different. Your reticular activating system will start pointing you towards opportunities and conversations and ideas and paths that your old programming would have completely filtered out and never seen before. This is not magic. It's your brain functioning exactly the way you designed it to. You're not waiting on luck. You're not waiting on the right circumstances. You are simply giving your brain the right instructions and let your brain take it from there. And if you want even more tools and you want to go deeper on this, go ahead and check out my entire Money Series playlist. It's filled with trainings, meditations, subliminals. It's completely free and I'll link it down below. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me over on TikTok and Instagram and Threads at MK Magic Mindset. And if you want to learn more about me, my programs, how to work with me, and more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.